What's the most important part of buying real estate? Crazy thought here. It's not your mortgage rate. I know that's counterintuitive and an unpopular opinion in some cases, but the overall payment in your budget is really more important than the actual rate. The rate is the emotional piece of the process, and we need to get away from the emotional piece and talk about the actual dollars and cents or the zeros and ones of the whole process. When we talk about what your financing looks like, keep in mind that it's not about just monthly payment, but that's a good place to start. When you're doing your budget, you line item everything out, and whatever's left, your goal is to spend every dollar you have coming in. Crazy to say that as well, but I don't really mean spend it. I mean earmark it for something. So your groceries are accounted for, your date nights, your gas money, your dry cleaning, everything that you possibly spend. Go through your credit cards, go through your bank statement, line item everything out. I've got a great spreadsheet if you want that. So just reach out and I'll send that to you and review it with you. And once you've line itemed everything out, you take out your rent that you're currently paying, and whatever's left is what you can afford comfortably for a house payment. And that's just kind of one way to look at it. Another aspect is 20% down payment, saving for that 20% down payment. If you have other debts, it doesn't make sense to not buy a home as you're waiting to pay 20% when you've got other debts and liabilities, because you want the lowest payment possible. We can do what's called a restructuring of your debt. And what that does, it pays off some existing debt that you have, and you're putting less down, and you're actually increasing your positive cash flow. It's a crazy concept, I know, but it's a holistic view of how to afford a home, and that's kind of what we walk you through. All these factors play an important role when it comes to deciding kind of what if it's the right time for you to buy real estate. It might not be, but I'll be the first one to say, it's not the right time. Let's wait 6 months, let's wait 12 months, whatever the case may be. And it is case by case. My team and I would love to walk you through the next steps and talk you through it, and kind of create the best possible custom plan for you and your family to get into the home when it's the right time.